welcome back to another video. Today is gonna be an extremely busy day. Everything is actually finally put together on the Z, and it looks like we're gonna go drifting Monday. As you can see right here, I do have a good amount of tires. I did go to the auto store today and picked up some other essentials. I got some motor oil change. I do have some gear oil. I'll tell you why in a second. And some shop towels and a filter. I also did end up picking up a new clutch. Now, everything is feeling a lot better on the Z, but I did notice the clutch is starting to slip, which isn't giving me all the power that I need to the wheels. So I did end up picking up a putt clutch. I gotta be a little quick. I ended up picking up a clutch, throw bearing, alignment tool, pilot, pressure plate. So yeah, just going around and doing a couple runs in my car, I realized the clutch is slipping a little bit, not as grippy as I would like it. So the drift event is on Monday. It is cutting it pretty close, but I am gonna throw a new clutch into the car. I kind of did decide last minute to go pick up a clutch. I actually went to the distributor and picked it up myself. So yeah, I got the clutch. I'm not gonna be able to put a proper break-in period of 500 miles like you really should. It's suggested by the clutch that you do that, but the event is Monday, and I don't really drive this car on the street, so I really don't think I'm gonna be able to get the 500-mile break-in period. But I am gonna drive it around a little bit, try to break it in just a little bit before I go bash on it Monday, and just make the best of it. Next day, I did get a lot done last night. I ended up taking off the drive shaft. I was able to leave the exhaust on, so that's good. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty tired today, but I already had some coffee. Still got a Monster in the fridge, so it's gonna be a caffeine fueled day. Definitely on the grind, gotta get this done. I still gotta make sure that I get this done so that I could at least go drive it around a little bit and break it in just a little bit. Yeah, like I said, I got the drive shaft off. I got my short shifter off. A lot of the transmission bolts are off. I pretty much have like 2 more bolts on. No, I have 4. I have like 6 bolts on the transmission, and should come down. So, well, I'm tired, but let's get to it. Later, but I'm finally done. Everything is bolted up and connected except for my front wheel, but I'm about to put that on. I'm gonna first fire it up, make sure everything is running good, and fingers crossed. I have been working on this all day. It is Sunday night. The event is tomorrow. Hopefully everything fires up good. Of course. So I did a bolt check, everything's looking good. I'm not really gonna be able to put as many miles on it as I wanted to, but that's alright. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage of the driving. Thank you, Endless Aerial, for sending me that footage. They actually did crash a $2,000 drone into my car, which ended up doing this. A little crack on the pillar, it did a little bit of damage. But they were nice guys, you know, shit happens. I felt bad about him taking out an expensive drone, so we called it a day. He did offer to help replace it and to help in whatever way that he could. That is it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. I will see you guys in the next one. I will be including more footage from Sleigh Day in my next video. And tomorrow, I think we're going to have a private track session at that same track, which is Grange. So hopefully tomorrow I can get some filming in, make another video. I will include both videos. A lot of driving will be in it. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you do that to stay up to date when the next video drops. Don't forget to smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Late.